The first step is to measure the depth of the pond. We're using our 1250 gallon per hour pond and waterfall pump for this application. The reducers and adapters all have gaskets and need to be installed, making sure everything is tight and leak-free. This 1-inch threaded adapter is the last piece that goes in before your risers, and that too has a gasket. Due to the depth of our pond, we're going to add 3 of these risers, again, all with gasket. The swivel adjuster is an important part to add to your application here. This accessory makes it easy to adjust your nozzle once it's in the pond. We're starting with the large fleur-de-lis nozzle, double checking to make sure everything's tight, and measuring once again. With the pump and assembly in the water, we can now adjust that nozzle using our swivel attachment. Using this 1250 gallon per hour pump, we're going to get a spray pattern on this about 2 meters in diameter and about 2 meters in height. We'll now try our double-tiered nozzle. Slightly different pattern. Still about 2 meter diameter. We'll now show you the proper assembly steps should you choose to use the diverter attachment. The 1-inch male to female adapter needs to go into the diverter before that's attached to your assembly. We'll now add the barbed fitting to the diverter, again using a gasket. This barbed fitting is compatible with 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch tubing. However, if using the 3/4, it's best to cut off the 1/2 inch portion. Making sure that the threaded side is up, we'll now add our extension riser tubes. We've included 4 of these riser tubes to give you lots of options when it comes to your installation. You want to make sure every connection is tight, that you've used your gaskets. We don't want any leaking along these extension tubes. Remember to add your swivel attachment. You will have some leftover gaskets. We'll keep those. The trumpet nozzle shares the same base with the apple or bell nozzle. These are adjustable and removable. The bell nozzle is threaded for a finer adjustment. The foaming nozzle is a very simple one, and the double-tiered, which can be used individually or together.